morning, dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter 10 of Geography, where we are studying about life in temperate grasslands. Dear students, this is the last module of this chapter, and in this module, we shall study about the natural vegetation and wildlife of Wales, which are the grasslands of South Africa, and also about the life of people in Wales. So let's begin. Natural vegetation of Wales. Dear students, there are limited forests in this region due to semi-arid climatic conditions. A major part of the plateau is covered with grass. Red grass grows in bushveld. Acacia and morel grows in the high velds. Dear students, the bushland and the grasslands in the high veld have one major handicap. That is, the elevation of the grazing lands is between 1000 meter and 2000 meter. This results in frost for a period of about 100 days in a year. Now, wildlife of Wales. Dear students, the main animals found in the Wales are leopard, lion, kudu, and cheetah. Occupation of people in Wales. Dear students, the high veld has both tall and short grasses and bushes. Trees are only found on the higher altitudes and along the banks of rivers. The soil is not fertile. Thus, the veld is more suitable for cattle rearing than for the cultivation of plants. The grasslands have ideal conditions for cattle and sheep rearing. Dear students, cattle are reared in the warmer and wetter eastern part. They are reared for milk and meat. Creameries make butter and cheese for domestic needs as well as for export also. Agriculture. Dear students, in the places where the soil is fertile, maize, wheat, barley, oats, potato, tobacco, cotton and sugarcane are commonly grown. Maize is the main commercial crop grown in the region. Dear students, in fact, the fertile belt in the Wales where maize is commercially grown on large farms is known as maize triangle. Industries in Wales. Dear all, the Wales is rich in minerals. Gold is found in the Witwatersrand Strand. The mining of gold and diamonds have attracted the Europeans to South Africa. The discovery of iron and steel industry. Johannesburg, the gold capital of the world, is an important industrial and commercial center. Dear students, Kimberley is famous for diamonds. Population. Dear students, human settlements can be found in the southernmost part of Middle Belt. The eastern slopes of Wales are also occupied by the people. They grow fruit orchards in this region. In Pretoria, there are mining and industrial settlements also. So, dear students, that was all about this chapter. Thank you.